comfortable with the rate of change. Well, yeah, I don't know. I shouldn't say that because I don't think any of us are truly comfortable with the rate of change. It's overwhelming when you think of what's, the exponential change in innovation. But I do think that what it opens up is opportunities and new ways of thinking. And so, we'll find an equilibrium. It will wind up having new business models pop up. And I don't think that we're not going to stop gathering. It's part of human nature. But it's going to be different, and it's going to be different for, the foreseeable future until we have this pandemic, completely under control. I'm really happy with what's happened in Colorado because we've had great leadership. We've had great citizenship, and really paying attention to the social distancing, wearing masks in public, and our numbers went down. We are at risk of having, like many states, having them go back up again. But if people keep being smart, it's not expected that they will. So, I think we could get to the new normal and be able to, get through this and then pop out the other side better. We'll see what happens, but I think that there is call for optimism. I will tell you that, I mentioned that we did a survey, and we did it in May, and then we did it in June. We just finished it up. And what we found was that, 61% of our surveyed executives, and it was top executives, said that there has been no negative impact to their business.
Excellent. That is excellent news. Yeah.
And about 50% of them were true IT companies, but we look at technology as being ubiquitous. And so it was a pretty horizontal survey, and we did have a significant sample size. And 21% said they've actually seen an uptick in business. So, that's promising. The 74% said that they either are going to keep their same strategy or focus on growth opportunities in this market. So I'm thinking that's really a positive thing. But I will say that hiring is lagging. I think the first two statistics say, it is lagging and it'll pick up. But we have seen that 29% only 29% of the companies surveyed said that they were hiring at the same rate or an increased hiring. Now, I am hearing anecdotally from companies that say this is a great opportunity to pick up top talent, and so they're leaning in and starting to grab talent and betting on the future earlier. So our overall unemployment rate in Colorado is 10%, that's high, but it's not high relative to the rest of the country. And so we've seen it go down dramatically in the last month. So I'm optimistic.